Examination topic of English in 2015 and 2016 Grammar វិញ្ញាសាប្រឡងបាក់ឌុបភាសាអង់គ្លេសឆ្នាំ2015-2016វេយ្យាករណ៍ Grammar 2015 There are four answers after each statement. Only one answer is correct. Choose the correct letter A, B, C, or D. Example, we saw ... letter D, children in the park. A, any, B, much, C, many, D, some. Number 1, Angkor Wat Temple ... by thousands of tourists every month. A, was visited, B, visited, C, are visited, and D, is visited. The answer is letter D, is visited. It's the present passive voice. The subject Angkor Wat Temple is the third person singular. So, the verb is also singular. It's the present fact. Number 2, Mr. Supal can't talk on the phone because he ... dinner right now. A, eats, B, is eating, C, has eaten, D, had been eating. The answer is letter B, is eating. It's the present continuous tense happening at the exact moment of speech. Number 3, I ... the house before you call. A, live, B, had left, C, am living, and D, had been living. The answer is letter B, had left. It's the past perfect. It describes an action finished before another past action. Number 4, if I found a wallet on the street, I ... it to police station. A, will take, B, take, C, would take, D, am taking. The answer is letter C, would take. It's the second conditional sentence. Number 5, the three ... behind my house gives a lot of shade. A, grow, B, which is grows, C, which grows, D, it grows. The answer is letter C, which grows. It's the adjective clause. It's the present truth. Grammar 2016. There are four answers after each statement. Only one answer is correct. Choose the correct letter A, B, C, or D. Example, we haven't got letter D money to buy a new car jet. A quite, B too much, C too many, D enough. Number one, you must have something to eat before to school. A go, B going, C to go, and D off go. The answer is letter B, going. The verb before is the preposition, and then the gerund going must come after the preposition before. Number two, you have never seen this before. You? A. Haven't. B. Don't. C. Do. And D. Have. The answer is letter D. Have. It's a positive question tag. Number three, this problem by this clever boy last night. A will be solved, B is solved, C was solved, and letter D solved. The answer is letter C was solved. It is a past passive voice. It has the time expression last night in the past. Number four, what you do if you want a lot of money? A. Will. B. Must. C. Would. D. Have. The answer is letter C. Would. This is a second conditional sentence. Number five. She was cleaning her teeth when the phone A was going to ring. B was ringing. C rang. And D ring. The answer is letter C rang. Past continuous is interrupted by another action in the past. Thank you.